Common fiber optic connectors are SC, FC, LC, ST. Rectangular connectors are commonly known as big square connectors. Commonly used in routers and transceivers. FC screw fastening method. Usually used in OD fiber optic patch panels. LC square connector, commonly known as small square connector. Commonly used in optical modules and switches. ST round bayonet connector. Commonly used for fiber optic termination and MP0, MTP is a multi-core, multi-channel mating connector. Miniaturized design. High density and high number of cores, stable and reliable connection. Used in high-density integrated fiber optic line environments. These fiber optic connectors are all physical connectors, except for different shapes. Functionality is the same. Fiber optic patch cords are not directional. Fiber optic connectors can be interchanged.